Are you somebody who tries to maintain your health by trying to have an early dinner and you suffer from late night cravings? In this video, I'll talk about late night healthy snacking options. Number 1 is Greek yogurt with berry. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in sugar. You can top it with some fresh berries like strawberries for added flavor and antioxidants. Cottage cheese with fruit. Cottage cheese is another protein-rich option to which you can add sliced apples and berries for a touch of sweetness. Vegetable sticks with hummus. You can choose any crunchy vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, and you can dip it into delicious hummus. It makes a satisfying and nutritious snack. Air popped popcorn. Skip the butter and opt for air popped popcorn. You can add sprinkle of pepper and salt, almonds and mixed nuts. A small handful of almonds and mixed nuts provides healthy fats, proteins and fiber, which helps you keep full. Sliced avocado on whole grain toast. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and fiber. Spread some slices on one whole grain toast for a filling snack. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are protein-packed snack that can help keep you satisfied throughout the night. Oatmeal. Opt for a small bowl of oatmeal made with water or low-fat milk. You can add a touch of honey, cinnamon and berries for flavor. Sliced apple with nut butter. Slice up an apple, pair it with almond or peanut butter for a satisfying blend of fiber, protein and healthy fats. These are the few low-calorie, healthy late-night snack options which you can choose over biscuits and chips that are high in calories and low in fat fiber. These healthy snacks have good amount of protein and fiber to keep you satisfied throughout the night. If you like my content on health and fitness, make sure to subscribe.